Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from JakeFX.com. It is Sunday, the 3rd of May 2020. I'm just going to go over all the pairs I'm trading on my 12-hour high probability charts and where we're at. So I've got 20 minutes to get this done. That's the maximum I've got on TradingView. So this is just a weekend update sort of thing, show where we're at. This is my watch list on the right. All the pairs I'm trading, the ones in blue are the ones I've currently got open trades. The ones in orange, something happened on Friday that I'm going to probably discuss in this video. And the ones without any highlight, which is only the one no trade on. So we'll just go through them quickly. This is the AusCAD. You can read my notes, pause the video, read them. So my sell trades are designated by the red lines and buy trades blue lines. You can see the notes, you can see the numbers on the side, read the notes, compare. So I basically took a sell here, a hedge buy, then a second sell. This yellow line here is my overall break-even level, which is pretty close to where we're at, so we haven't got far to go. MACD Platinum, which is this bottom indicator, is above the zero level, just about head through. Hopefully this will push down and we can clear these trades. Oz Swiss, once it comes up. Righto, I was stopped out on a buy trade on Friday, so I'm thinking it was this one in here. So that's changed things a bit. I've just got rid of one of my sequences and moved to another number. So I've got one sequence here, which is this buy trade. So S1 stands for sequence one. So first sequence is buy trade. It's standalone. It's got a stop in place, red dotted line. So that's fine. That trade there's locked in. Second sequence starts here. We've got a sell followed by a hedge buy, second sell, second hedge buy, third sell. So that's this second sequence here. Break even for that 61845, which is this bottom yellow line, which prices it at the moment. And then there's a third sequence, which is just a sell trade here, up here, sorry, and that's the MACD Platinum's above the zero level, and that overall break even for all trades actually pushes the price up. So we're looking good at the moment. If it opens on Monday and price is still below that top yellow line, we can close all trades in a profit. So that's the Oz Swiss. And I was closed out on a buy trade in here, which was a standalone, and I think I made a whopping $1.37 on that one, so no big deal. Aussie New Zealand, similar scenario, in a initial sell here, took a second sell. What was that based on? Taken on a trend line break, so there would have been a trend line through here. That's like this blue line would have been up through here. Went against me, took a hedge buy, took another sell, third sell up here, took another hedge buy, and took another sell up here. So it's all one sequence. The MACD Platinum stayed above the zero level the whole time. It's now through the zero level, and we're through the overall break even for all trades. So on Monday I might have a look and think about closing all of these trades. I might just close them all, just see how it opens and see if I can get some profit out of this. As soon as I get in the hedging mode, I'm not really looking to make a big profit unless there's a huge move quickly. Generally, I'm just trying to get out at break even or better. Aussie USD, what have we got here? Same sort of deal. We've got a sequence one, we've got a sell trade followed by buy, another sell, another buy, and a third sell. So the overall break even for that 64593, which is one of these yellow lines, the bottom one. Price is through that now, and we've also got a buy here with a stop in place. I'd say buy stop. It's got a stop in place, and there is another sell on here. So yeah, that's a sequence three. Overall break even's that top yellow line. So as long as price stays below that, we're good because we're net negative 0.11. So looking all right in the Aussie USD, CAD Swiss. I'll just speed this up a bit. Sequence one, sequence two. Sequence one is all these trades. So they start here, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, and you can read the position sizes. Then there's been another sell here, and break-even levels are those two yellow lines. You can read them, the overall and the one for the sequence. So price is below, which is good because we're negative. So MACD Platinum still above the zero level. We'll see if it pushes down through the zero, and we'll look at closing some of these trades out. CAD Yen. what have we got here? Got an overall break even down here. We've got two sequences. Yeah, not much happening at the moment. We've just got a buy, sell on sequence 1. So that's just hedged. And sequence 2 is just a sell trade, which is going all right at the moment. Overall break-even's all the way down here. Don't worry about that too much because unless the market just drops away on Monday, that's not my target. My target's to look for this MACD to roll down through here, then back up and give me another buy trade to clear this sequence and hopefully make some dollars on that sequence at the same time. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. I was closed out. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Closed down on a sequence 1, which was this sell trade here. I left the lines on the chart, stopped out for a whopping $2.72 profit. That's a sell. Just there's a stop in place. Already closed half. Got spiked on Friday. That stop there, so I can delete those sell trades, and it just leaves the 3 buy trades in place, which are currently just over the break-even level, which is good. So we can close that, possibly close that on Monday. Is the MACD platinum through the 0 level? If this pops up a bit higher, I'll just close all 3 trades or get a bit creative in trade management. Euro Aussie, let's have a look here. Going well, a lot happening. Buys, MACD platinum stay below the 0 level. The trend line break didn't go well. Took a hedge sell, another buy went against me. Took another sell up here, and we're starting to get into sell mode. I think, yeah, got a stop in place in that second sell, and took a third one here. Buy. Overall break-evens are just here. We're through the 0 level. Might look at closing some of these trades out on Monday. Just have to speed it up a bit. Euro CAD, same sort of deals. I'm going to buy, hedge sell, second buy, sell. I think I did start a new sequence in there, but that's now been closed out, I think. But this continues on for the first sequence, and we've got a buy 2 here, second sequence buy in here. Again, we're through both the yellow lines, and we're net positive on the position size. So as long as price stays above that, I can close all trades and be in profit. Everything's looking pretty good at the moment, but Monday the gaps could come out and kill me, but we never know. All right, Euro Swiss in a buy here, got a stop in place. In a recent sell at the moment, as long as price stays below that yellow line, it's negative 0.01 on overall break even on both these trades. Looking all right. Euro pound, I don't know why I've highlighted that one because nothing happened on it. This is just, I want to show you with TradingView, the QMP filter, which is this green and red dots on the price chart, and also the MACD Platinum. You'll get, when the market closes and a new signal for Monday, the TradingView actually displays it, which is good. So on Monday, unless something drastic happens, the market gaps huge down or up, or if it gaps up, it doesn't matter, but there's going to be a buy signal on Monday. So I'm going to sell here, and on Monday, there's going to be a buy signal. So it's just about guaranteed. So that's why that's highlighted, just to show you. It'll be a hedge buy. Euro yen in a buy down here, looking good, stop in place. Euro USD in a buy down here, gone up to the MAs through the MACD platinum through the 0 level, closed half, stop in place, looking good. Pound CAD, buy, sell, buy. So 3 trades, MACD platinum's below the 0 level. You can read the notes there, break even's that yellow line. It poked through on Friday, I just couldn't. I wasn't at the laptop, computer, missed the opportunity to get out. But the MACD Platinum's still below the 0 level, so I wouldn't be getting out anyway. No rushes yet, and hopefully it'll push through this blue line, which is just an area of resistance at the moment. Pound yen, nothing on, no trades on. Pound USD, buy here, went up nicely, then through the MACD Platinum went through the 0 level, closed half, put a stop in place. Stops below the entry level. If I get a new, say, red dot on the MACD Platinum, then I'll move that stop up above the entry level or try to lock some, don't lose any more, that sort of thing. New Zealand CAD, what I mean here, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, and that buy S2 is also a second sequence start. So there's two trades taken on the same area sometimes. That's why. Yeah, so running through, so the top sequence is hedged, all hedged, and the second sequence is just a buy. Overall break in is off the chart somewhere, but don't worry about that too much. That's neither here nor there. What I'll try to do is make some money on this S2 sequence 2 trade. Then once that hopefully gets up, if not, then I'll look for a sell to continue sequence 1 and roll over and try and make my money that way. New Zealand Swiss, which is the busy chart. Another one was sequence was closed out. Sequence 2 was actually, I think, this one here initially, and that was sequence 3, and that was sequence 4. So closed this buy was stopped out. Price come down. There was a stop in place there. It's taken me out, and I $1.34 profit there. Woo. So now I've just got the 3 sequences. We're slowly getting there. Sequence 2's actually got a break even. We're below that now, and price. So sequence 2 starts here. Sell, buy, sell. Price is still above the MACD Platinum, still above the 0 level. So hopefully we'll push that down. Again, the overall break even's down here. Don't worry about that too much, because we're looking for hopefully make some money on sequence 3 and sequence 2. Then we'll look to extend another buy trade on sequence 1. So that's the plan. We'll keep on chipping away until we get rid of these trades. New Zealand USD, what happened here? Sell 2, stopped out. So I lost $2.03 on a stop out on a buy trade. I'm pretty sure it was this one here. There's a stop there. So yeah, that was it. Hopefully that's got the right one. Yeah. So we're stopped out there, and again, there'll be a sell signal on Monday. You can see the dots in place unless something drastic gaps up huge up to the upside or something. But there'll be a new sell signal, which will be a new sequence 2 sell trade and a 4th sell trade on sequence 1. So it's the New Zealand USD. USD CAD. What happened here? Sell, stopped out. Yep, so this sell trade here was stopped out. Lost $1.52 in that remaining half, so that's gone. Now I've just got the buy trade in place, which is fine. And that's looking all right at the moment. We're in profit with the buy trade, and the MACD Platinum still below the 0 level. Got this nice little support level here. USD Swiss franc in a sell trade up here. Looking all right. I've closed half, stop in place, can't lose on it. It's all right, it's good. USD Japanese yen, buy, sell, second buy. So you can read that. Overall break even, just this yellow line up here. It's really going nowhere. It's been going a lot of sideways. These are 12-hour candles, so 2 candles per day. That's a lot of sideways action on this pair. And USD Singapore dollar, what have we got here? 2 sequences, 3 sequences. So we've got a sell. What's this one? What's that one? We've got a buy there. I'm just trying to work out. Sell, buy, sell. So that must be another buy. And we've got a sell. Yep, and that's got a stop in place. So the sell's got to stop. That's this one here. That's got to stop in there. And we've got a sequence 3, which is a buy. Standalone buy is it's also part of this other sequence there. So, and there's our overall break-even levels. One for the sequence 1 and one for overall at different levels. As I said, you can read my notes. So that's it for the 12-hour charts, guys. They're looking pretty good at the moment. As long as there's not much of a gap on Monday, we should be sweet and looking good. And we should lock in some profits on some pairs and take advantage of some new signals on Monday with other pairs. So remember that all these trades I take on the 12-hour high probability charts are recorded on a shared spreadsheet. It's on Google Drive. The link to that spreadsheet is in the description of this video, so everyone's more than welcome to look at that. It's as I said, it's a Sunday, just checking the charts, getting ready for Monday. I get up at 4 a.m. on Monday. Probably take an hour and a half for the spreads to come in anyway, so no big deal. All right, thanks for watching. If you do like the videos, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, hit the like button, and I'll talk to you guys probably in about 10 hours or so. Cheers.